you serious right now? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every week with my dog Jack. This is Jack. He is in all of my videos and he is a great little helper. So if you like cute dogs and DIY and sewing tutorials, then I would suggest that you would subscribe to my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting. I am going to make a top out of these dish towels. I found these at Marshall's and I just thought they were so adorable with the Halloween ice creams. And I thought to myself, well, I could probably make a top out of this somehow. And it's actually really soft. The inside, it's a terry cloth. I just thought it would be a fun sewing challenge. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we'll see. And I bought 2 of these. Actually, it came 2 in a pack, so they're a pretty good size. So I think I'll be able to make like a crop top or something. But we're just gonna see what happens. Me and Jack we're just gonna see what happens when we start to make this. So hopefully it will turn out really fun and really cute, so it'd be perfect for Halloween. And I'm gonna be uploading a lot of Halloween videos this October. In today's video, I'm not gonna be doing the voiceover like I usually do, so I'm actually just gonna take you guys with me and we're just gonna see what happens. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to cut this in half. Like, I'm just gonna fold it over and then cut it, but it's not gonna be enough to wrap around my body, so I'm gonna need another piece. So I'm going to cut this one, and then I'm going to cut one piece out of this one, and then I'll use the other one for something else for the top. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take both pieces that I just cut and put them right side together and just pin this side together. And since it's not enough fabric, I'm going to go ahead and take one piece from the other hand towel. And I'll just go ahead and do the same thing. And I'll just pin it on this side. So now that we've got all this pinned together, we're going to go ahead and sew it. Okay, so now it's time to put your elastic in. So I'm going to start at the top of the top, and I'm going to fold my fabric over just one time, and then just pin it together. So it's starting to look really cute. So now I've got the top part sewn, and if you guys watch my videos, you already know how I put the elastic in, but if it's your first time watching my videos, I'll show you guys how I do it. I just put a safety pin on the end of my elastic, and all I'm gonna do is just run it through. Now that I've put my elastic in, I am going to pin both the sides right side together. So I've got my elastic pinned so it doesn't go anywhere. So I'm just going to pin all along here. Okay, so I've got the top done. It's just a cute little, it almost looks like a skirt. I guess I could wear it as a skirt, but it's pretty short, so I'm not sure. I'd probably just use it as a top. But we do have this little extra piece of material left, and I'm not really sure what I want to do with it. I bet I could just make a cute little bow to put on it. Okay, so I've decided to do the bow, and what I'm going to do is fold my fabric in half, and I'm just going to cut a little strip out here for the centerpiece for the bow. So now that I've got that cut, I'm just going to go ahead and pin around the bow, and I'm going to pin it right sides together. Okay guys, so when you reach the end, make sure that you leave an open space so you can turn it inside out. Now that I've got it turned inside out, I'm going to take the ends and I'm going to fold them in, and I'm going to pin it and sew it. Now I'm going to take the strip that I cut earlier, and I'm just going to fold it on the inside and then fold it again so it looks like this. I'm going to wrap it around my bow. And then I'm just going to sew this part together. Alright, so now it's time for the last step, and I'm just going to pin my bow on the front of my shirt. And then I will just sew it on. Okay guys, so this is the final result, and I have to say I'm pretty pleased with it. It is very basic, but there's only so much I could do with a couple of dish towels, so I think considering the circumstances, I think it turned out pretty awesome. But it is very simple. It's got the cute bow on it. I really do like the bow. It's a nice touch to it. Kind of adds a little more creativity to it and a little more flair. So let me know what you guys thought about this sewing challenge video. I was really excited to do it. It was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more DIY and sewing tutorials every single week. Say bye, Jack.